In this video, I'll show you how to set up an auto reply in Meta Business Suite step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and select the Facebook page or Instagram account you want to manage. From the left menu, click Inbox and then select Automations. Here, you'll see different automated response options. Choose the type of auto reply you want, such as an instant reply for new messages or an away message when you're unavailable. Enter the message you want customers to receive automatically. You can personalize the message and add information such as your business hours, contact details, or a link to your website. Next, choose which messaging channels the automation should apply to, such as Facebook Messenger or Instagram. Review the settings and click Save Changes or Turn On to activate the automation. Send a test message to make sure the automatic reply is working correctly. That's how you can set up an auto reply in Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.